Today on Sam's Diecast, we're going to be unboxing a 2021 Hot Wheels Blade Raider, and I'm not going to be editing this video, so I don't know, it's something a little different. I'm not going to be editing the video just because I feel like uploading it right away, and some of my viewers like it when I don't edit them. This is from the 2021 Hot Wheels Daredevils series, number 3 out of 5, and the Blade Raider in red, and I got this blue one here, also from 2021. It's the first color of it. 76 of 250 on the year, and 2021, as I said. It's from the J case. GTC 64 is the number. And Hot Wheels Daredevils are fearless stunt vehicles ready for stunting action. Fearless stunt vehicles. 2020 copyright. And I already started opening this a while ago, but then I'm like, and I haven't touched it yet, and I'm like, yeah, maybe I should like do this on video. Maybe I'll get some views on it. Alright, red version out of the packaging. Kind of ripped it right open there. Oh boy. Yeah, I think we got some bent axles on the front of this one. But red version, nice. We got the, what's it called? Offroad 6-spoke wheels. And a number 7 on the side there. It's silver tampos with the Hot Wheels logo, and it has some decals. Check out those shocks. Kind of hard to see. Pretty cool. Here's the front of it. Loving those lights there. And got a number 7 there with the silver and black striping. Cool off-roading vehicle. Not too big of a fan of it. It's like a race car, kind of. And we got those wheels with silver lining. Other side. Interior is chrome. Base is plastic. It's an okay looking casting. I'm not too big on this casting. Two versions right on top of each other. This is the one we just opened. If I were to say which one I liked better, I would go with the blue one. I think I like the blue one better just because I like the wheels better. I don't really care for these kind of wheels. But thanks for tuning in if you watched. And please subscribe for more. Goodbye. Oh, and I actually saved this. Is almost fell over. Alright, bye.